Today, we're going from 0 to Pro. I'm going to show you how to set up the ultimate MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner overlay that you see everyone on internet using to monitor their FPS, CPU, GPU, and RAM usage like a professional. For this overlay, we will be downloading MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner. Okay, so let's get into it. First, in your browser, search for MSI Afterburner and click on the very first link. Make sure that you go to this website, as this is MSI's official website and any other one can be unsafe. Over here you will see two options, a final version and beta version. Just click on the final version, as this is the stable one. After you have downloaded the zip file, extract it within the folder and run the MSI Afterburner setup file. Over here, uncheck Norton 360 for gaming and click on Install. Select Language and click OK. At the license agreement, accept and click Next. Over here, make sure RivaTuner is checked, as we will be needing this, and click Next. Select your save folder and click Next. Then click on Install. Once installation completes, another pop-up will appear for RivaTuner. Click OK and Next. Again, accept the agreement and Next, and then Next again, and finally click Install. Once installation is complete, uncheck Show README and Finish. Once again, uncheck README and Finish. This will launch MSI Afterburner with all your PC CPU and GPU statistics and fan speeds. On the left-hand side, click on Settings and go to the Monitoring tab. In this tab, select whichever stats you want to see in-game, and at the bottom, click on Show in on-screen display. Now, OSD will appear next to the specific stats, confirming that it will appear in the overlay. Now do the same with all the other stats you'd like to see in-game. When you get to FPS, you'll see that it is unchecked and the bottom settings are grayed out. So just go ahead and check it to be able to show it as an on-screen display. Do the same with the 1% lows. Once everything is done, click on Apply at the bottom and OK to save the changes. After this, open Settings again, and in the General tab, make sure to check Start with Windows and Start Minimized and apply the changes. Now in the System tray at the bottom, click on the RivaTuner icon. Once it opens, enable Start with Windows and on-screen display for this as well. Then set the application detection level to high. You can also change the size of the on-screen text by using the slider. And you can change the color as well. After this, minimize it, and now launch your game to put it to the test. And as you can see, the popular FPS and stats display is now showing in this game that I launched. Over here you will be able to monitor your GPU usage, temperature, and power, your CPU usage, temperature, and power, your RAM and video RAM usage, as well as your FPS, all in real time as you game. So happy gaming and happy monitoring. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and powerful tech tutorials and websites. And let me know what you'd like to see next. And as always, see you in the next one.